in today's topic we will discuss about 10 basic GK MCQ questions which usually comes in our competitive exams. So let's go. Our first question is, which is the largest delta in India? Which is the largest delta in India? Sundarbans, Bengal. Which is called the city of Golden Temple? Answer is Amritsar. Which is the largest river? Nile. Which is the largest island? Greenland. Which is called the Queen of the Arabian Sea? Cochin. Which is the largest continent in the world? Asia. Which has the largest parliament in the world? Answer is China. Which place in Assam is said to be the meeting place of Buddhism, Hinduism and Islam? Haju. What is the name of the state with the largest number of registered newspapers? Uttar Pradesh. Which is the longest railway platform? Kharagpur, West Bengal. Thank you guys for watching this video.